So this is an unboxing of the Kedok 4K media streaming HDMI capture device. You can see it is USB 3.0 4K Ultra HD video capturing. I'll turn it over here. You can see some of the features of this device. It supports HDMI loop out. It supports microphone audio input, 3.5 stereo output, microphone audio and HDMI audio, superimposed capture, input max resolution of 4K, output max resolution of 1080p. It supports the AWG 26 HDMI standard cable up to 15 meters, 1080p and below resolution. Support most acquisition software, VLC, OBS, all the stuff you normally use. And it's good for Windows, Android, Linux, and Mac OS, and USB video to UVC standard, blah, blah, blah. Those are the features that it has. So let's open it up and take a look at this bad boy. And it is nice cushion protection. It's a powerful device, but very small. Wow. It's actually a lot thinner than I thought it was going to be for all that stuff it can do. Real quick, let's see what else in the box. Probably, I'm guessing, just instructions and stuff. Maybe some cables. There we go. So it does come with a thank you note, and it comes with your instruction manual, so you know how to use it properly. Also does come with a USB 3.0 quality cable to be able to connect it. So that's in the box as well. And let's take this off so we can see the device itself. Here it is. Even though, of course, with a device like this, it's more about what's on the inside, but they didn't skimp on the outside. It's got this nice polished aluminum, black aluminum finish to it, which is really cool. And you know what it does. It says right there on the front, 4K Ultra HD, USB 3.0, HDMI video capture, HDCP 2.2. So on this end, we've got those two HDMI ports. You've got your input and your output right there. And then if we turn it over to the other side, we've got the USB 3.0. So that's what you would connect it to your computer with. You've also got your audio in mic, if you want to do separate audio with a mic, and audio out to headphones if you want to use those. So you've got the inputs, and that's really all there is to it. It's a lot smaller and lighter than honestly what I thought it was going to be, but it feels very solidly built. Like I said, nice hard case aluminum with that polished aluminum finish to it, and has all the ports you need for that 4K Ultra HD video capturing. So anyway, that's what comes in the box. You get your instructions, you get your cable, and you get your device. And that's the unboxing for the Kedok 4K media streaming HDMI capture device.